Good day, everyone. In this very quick video, we are going to reinstall the wireless network adapter on Windows 10 or Windows 11 or any other version of Windows which you have. Reinstalling the network adapter, especially the wireless network adapter, can fix many basic issues. Just do a right click in the Start icon and then go to Device Manager. And once the Device Manager is opened, here we are looking for network adapters. So I have find it. I'll just click on that, and here you need to look for your network adapter. So I have find mine. I'll just do a right click and then click on uninstall device. Now here you just need to make a check mark, attempt to remove the driver for this device. So you need to please make sure that you do a check mark and click on uninstall. And once this is done, this will be removed from here, and then we need to go to this action section, and here we need to click on scan for hardware changes. Now the moment you do it, it will reinstall the network adapter, the wireless network adapter, and you just need to restart the computer right here. The common issues of Wi-Fi will be fixed. If you still have issues, then what you can do is take the name of your adapter and search exactly on the internet. And please make sure you download the drivers from the manufacturer's website. So let's say if you're using HP, Dell, Lenovo, ASUS, according to the model number, download the driver. And please let me know in the comment section if you have successfully reinstalled the Wi-Fi driver, and please hit the like and subscribe. And guys, if your computer is running slow, please watch this video and see if that helps. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Good day, everyone.